In today's fast-paced world, the quest for efficient, healthy cooking has led to an explosion of innovative kitchen appliances. Among these, air fryers and convection ovens have emerged as frontrunners, promising crispy, delicious meals with less oil and faster cooking times. But with so many options available, how do you decide which one deserves that precious counter or cabinet space in your kitchen? Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your cooking arsenal, understanding the key differences between these popular appliances can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your cooking style, household needs, and budget. Size and capacity, space versus serving size. Air fryers have gained immense popularity partly due to their compact, space-saving design. Resembling oversized coffee makers in many cases, these appliances typically occupy minimal counter space while standing taller than they are wide. This makes them ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or as secondary cooking options in larger homes. However, this compact design comes with a significant limitation: cooking capacity. Most air fryers can only handle about 2 servings at once, making them less practical for larger families or entertaining guests. If you're cooking for more than 2 people, you'll likely need to prepare food in multiple batches, which could ultimately negate the time-saving advantage. Convection ovens, by contrast, are substantially larger appliances that require more dedicated space. They come in various forms, built into wall units, as part of range tops, or as countertop models, but all offer significantly more cooking area than air fryers. This expanded capacity allows you to cook larger portions or even multiple dishes simultaneously, making them more suitable for family meals or entertaining. Heating mechanism. Air fryers typically position their heating elements at the top of the unit, with a powerful fan circulating the hot air downward and around the food. This concentrated top-down heating approach, combined with larger and faster fans, creates an intense cooking environment that mimics deep frying. Convection ovens distribute heat more evenly throughout the cooking chamber, with fans usually located on the back or side walls. The heating elements are positioned at both the top and bottom of the oven, creating a more balanced heating environment. While this approach is more gradual than an air fryer's intense heat blast, it provides more even cooking for larger items or multiple dishes. Cooking speed and efficiency. When it comes to getting food on the table quickly, air fryers generally have the edge. Their compact size means they preheat rapidly, often in just a few minutes, and their concentrated heat circulation cooks food approximately 20 to 30% faster than convection ovens. This makes them particularly appealing for busy weeknight meals or quick snacks. Convection ovens take longer to preheat due to their larger cooking chambers, and while they still cook faster than conventional ovens, they can't match the rapid cooking times of air fryers for small portions. However, when cooking larger quantities, the convection oven's ability to handle everything at once may ultimately save time compared to cooking multiple batches in an air fryer. Energy efficiency and cost. Energy consumption is an increasingly important consideration for many households. Air fryers typically consume between 1,400 to 1,800 watts of power during operation, with an average of about 1,700 watts. Their quick cooking times and small size make them relatively energy efficient for small portions. Convection ovens use significantly more power, typically between 2,000 to 5,000 watts, with an average of about 3,000 watts. This higher energy consumption is partly offset by their ability to cook larger quantities at once, but for small portions, they're less efficient than air fryers. To put this in perspective, cooking French fries in an air fryer for 15 minutes consumes approximately 0.425 kilowatt hours, costing about 6 cents at average electricity rates. The same dish in a convection oven might take 25 minutes, including preheating, and consume 1.25 kilowatt hours, costing around 17.5 cents. The initial investment also differs, with air fryers typically ranging from $50 to $350, while convection ovens can cost anywhere from $300 to $500 or more for built-in models. Crispiness and cooking results. Perhaps the most important consideration is how well each appliance performs its primary function: cooking delicious food. Air fryers excel at creating crispy exteriors similar to deep-fried foods but with significantly less oil. Their intense, concentrated heat circulation makes them particularly effective for foods that benefit from a crunchy finish, such as French fries, chicken wings, and breaded items. Convection ovens produce good results across a wider range of cooking methods, including baking, roasting, and broiling. While they can create crispy textures, they generally don't achieve quite the same level of crispiness as air fryers without adding more oil. However, they excel at even cooking and browning, making them versatile for various recipes. Versatility and cooking options. Convection ovens typically offer more cooking modes and greater versatility than dedicated air fryers. Most models include options for baking, broiling, roasting, and sometimes specialized functions like pizza or dehydrating. Their larger size also accommodates a wider variety of cookware, from baking sheets to casserole dishes. Air fryers, while more limited in their cooking modes, have evolved to offer more than just air frying. Many models now include options for roasting, baking, and even dehydrating, though their small size restricts the types and quantities of food you can prepare. Interestingly, many modern convection ovens now include an air fry, setting that attempts to replicate the intense heat circulation of dedicated air fryers. These hybrid appliances offer the best of both worlds, but come at a premium price point. Health and oil usage. One of the main selling points of air fryers is their ability to create crispy, fried-like foods with minimal oil. Most air fryer recipes require little to no added oil, making them appealing for health-conscious consumers. The perforated cooking baskets also allow excess fat to drip away from food during cooking, potentially reducing calorie content. Convection ovens can also cook with less oil than traditional methods, but typically require more oil than air fryers to achieve similar crispiness results. However, they may offer health advantages for other types of cooking, such as roasting vegetables or baking, where their even heat distribution ensures thorough cooking. Ease of use and maintenance. Air fryers typically feature removable non-stick baskets that are relatively easy to clean, often being dishwasher safe. Their compact size means fewer surfaces to clean, but also requires more active participation during cooking, such as shaking the basket midway through to ensure even results. Convection ovens have larger surfaces to clean, which can be more time-consuming. However, they generally require less attention during cooking, as food doesn't usually need to be turned or shaken. Many modern convection ovens include self-cleaning features that simplify maintenance. Noise levels. Air fryers are generally louder during operation due to their powerful fans operating in a compact space. The noise level is comparable to a small desk fan or hairdryer, which may be a consideration in open-concept living spaces. Convection ovens, while still producing some fan noise, are typically quieter due to better insulation and the larger space in which the fan operates. This makes them less intrusive in open kitchen designs or during conversations. So, which one is right for you? The choice between an air fryer and a convection oven ultimately depends on your specific needs, kitchen space, and cooking habits. For many households, the ideal solution might be a hybrid approach, a convection oven with an air fry setting for everyday cooking, supplemented with a compact air fryer for quick meals and snacks. Alternatively, if you're renovating your kitchen, consider a range or wall oven with built-in air fry capabilities, offering the best of both worlds in a single appliance.